Sunday. Hey. All right, y'all. Welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. So I'm here today, and I'm just going to I am not consistent in this kitchen today. Today, I don't have no special recipe. I just want you to join me in my home to your home and see how I flow every day in the kitchen, just punctuating. So, as you can see, I don't have nothing planned, but everything consists of the same seasoning, some of it. So, here I have it. I already seasoned up these chickens. Here, you see. Ow. So the chickens is there, seasoned, jazzy, lovely jazzy. Seasoned it. I don't know. I'm not going to share the video with you guys of her cleaning the chicken. Because yes, we clean our chicken. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. We cleans our chicken. Okay? Got to get the feathers off if it's any. And there be some little hairs on there too that you got to get off. And all that gooky yellow stuff. We do that. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. So thank you for coming back anyway. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little button down below. And comment, like, and share with your family and friends so that they can come on and enjoy what I do here in Jill's Comfort Zone. So like I said, this chicken has been seasoned with garlic powder, onion powder, herb de Provence. Look, see, every time I come to you guys, I get tongue-tied. I don't know what it is. It's a camera thing, but it's all good. Herb de Provence, okay? I have some Cajun seasoning. I have some chicken bouillon. I have some, I put some turmeric in it. Look, if you don't know, I do. I have arthritis real bad, and I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, but then I was re-diagnosed about a year ago with the, what is it called? It started with a P, arthritis, whatever. Whatever. I call him Arthur, and he is an MFer, and, you know, for the kids who's watching, so I don't want to be cursing up in here. I love red hot sauce. So red hot sauce, I season heavily with it. That's my favorite hot sauce, and that's what I use. So that does go in my chicken base as well. I have some peppercorn medley, and some paprika, and cayenne pepper. Okay, so Jazzy like, and a little salt. So Jazzy like, she said, I want spicy food. So, I don't know where that came from, because all of a sudden I brought home, at work, one of my, co-workers, the doctor there. She is from India, and she brought some, she does every year, Indian food, and she brings it in, and it's really, really hot and spicy. This year I was able to eat it because it wasn't as spicy. So I brought some home for Jazzy. She loved it. Ever since then, she wants some spicy. I've been craving fried chicken. So that's what I'm having. So I said, well, you know what we could do? I was going to make some kind of maybe curry or something like that for Jazzy. But anyway, well, she said, no, just do fried. Just do it hot. So we're going hot. So that's what's all seasoned with these chicken wings. That's gonna go in the, I'm gonna fry up. Then I went ahead and added 2 eggs added that to that so I could coat to my cornstarch and flour mixture very well. So in here, I did not all of the seasoning, but I did do some of the peppercorn medley, onion powder, garlic powder, and some of the herb de Provence, and a little bit of Sazon, I think. And I can't remember why I stopped cooking with Sazon. I think because it has MSG in it, I think. So I don't cook with that Sazon too much, and I think that's why. But I put a little bit in here, but I'm going to research that after tonight because my mom sent me a whole bunch of it. And I got rid of that like over 10 years ago. So I don't know. But anyway, so that's all that's in this flour here. And a little bit more cayenne pepper. So if you come along with me over here, so what I got here, this is my pan. And it is, it's ready. It's ready for that fried chicken to drop up in them wings. Sorry. I got my butter sauce here because I'm also making some baked mac and cheese. And I'm going a little, I told you I'm off brand. I'm off hustling. So I'm going to use these a little bit as I am. My water's boiling back there. I think that's too much water, but Jazzy put it in there. And this is what I'm going to do, a small little dish just with some mac and cheese flow right here. Asked her did she want some keto cornbread. She didn't want it. So I'm flowing today. So this is what I'm doing. This is a normal chaotic day, not planned. So I got my cheeses ready. Everything flowing. My butter is melted. I'm about to add my carnation milk into here. Start seasoning this up really good. Add my cheeses to it. Pop it in the oven. We're going to be good to go. You remember last night I did my collard greens ahead of time. So I don't have to do that. I cooked that up in an Instant Pot. And dinner will be done just like that. So I'm ready to get started. Hey, so I changed my mind from the regular routine. You know why? Because I only have a little bit. I switched to whole wheat a long time ago. So not a long time ago, but a little while ago. And I had switched to whole wheat noodles and pasta and stuff. And I had that little bit left and I was trying to use it. But you know what, macaroni and cheese, it's hard to make a small dish, right? And that's a little bit in here. So I'm mixing it up. I got some whole grain and some whole wheat. So that's what I'm using. So tell you, in this kitchen is always a turn up. So I'm using the rest of this since I got a little bit of this left. And mix it with the whole wheat. Stay tuned. I'll be back. Yeah, baby. Yeah, welcome back, guys. This is my roux macaroni and cheese. You see that seasoning? You see it. You see that cheese? Lord of mercy. It's ready. That's what I'm going to toss them rotini noodles in. Herbs is popping. Got some garlic going on in there. You got your butter. I have some cayenne pepper, a little paprika, some peppercorn mealy. I got some Cajun seasoning. I have some garlic powder, onion powder. Of course, my herbs de Provence. I have a little fennel in here as well. And I'm using carnation milk tonight with this. And this is ready for those rotini noodles. And the cheese is Kobe Jack cheese, Italian cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, mild cheddar cheese. And I got an Italian blend cheese up in here. Just a little bit. Butter, of course. You need the butter. I got 1 egg in here. Sometimes I use eggs, sometimes I don't. That just all depends on everything. This sauce is ready and everything going good right there. She ready. Oh, yeah, she ready. I like to use some Cheez-Its and crunch it up and put it on the top. I haven't did that in a long time, y'all. So that I'm gonna go back to that. I usually put Cheez-Its on there. And that is like so beautiful. But you know what? I had no Cheez-Its tonight. So I'm not gonna do no cheeses. Not gonna do my cheeses stuff. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna pour these noodles in here. Water is good and ready. See that water nice and hot?
Sizzling.
It's sizzling. It's ready. It's ready to receive the cheese. It said I'm ready to receive the cheese. Amen. All right. So we got that all good, and of course I got my extra virgin olive oil in here and some sea salt in the pot. So that is good. I'm gonna stir that up. I'm gonna turn this down on low so it can stay. Ooh. Oh shoot! Some of the butter jumped out. Something always jumping out of my pots. Look. We gotta jump all the time. So I'll be right back. I just wanted to let you know what I did with my roux. And we're gonna get this crack-a-lacking in a minute. So I'll be right back. Hey, welcome back. So dinner is done. So I did the fried spicy chicken. I can't wait to taste that. So I'm gonna put a couple of those on my plate though. And then let me sit this down. So this is the greens from yesterday from the Instant Pot. Well, not yesterday, but you know, from the Instant Pot. I'm gonna put me a couple of this on my plate. Guys, I burnt myself, so if I look a little handicapped, excuse me. I just heated a little bit of that up. My finger, guys. I put a little butter on it. Hopefully, you know, the swelling will stop or whatever. I picked up a pot with my stupid self. Anyway, here's our Rotini mac and cheese. I'm putting too much on this plate for me. I know I ain't going to eat all that. So remember the wheat, Rotini mac and cheese, some fried chicken. Grab me a few pieces of that. I'm going to tear this chicken up, guys. I've been craving fried chicken. And look. Now I need something to get the salad up. I got that for the salad, and here I went picking that up. So I could grab my salad like this. Cucumbers is my favorite. Oh my God, when I tell you cucumbers, I love cucumbers. I love chickpeas. I would have had that in here too, but this is like a quick, simple meal. Ooh, I'm about to take all the cucumbers. This is like a quick, simple meal have on a Sunday when you just, alright. I was going to do some brown rice with this, but I got mac and cheese. That's enough starch for me. So I did I don't even think I needed to even taste anything for y'all, do I? Not really, because y'all know how fried chicken tastes. It's just spicy, right? It's just spicy, and it's just enjoyable, and I already told you how this tastes. Oh, my Lord. With this Rotini and cheese, oh, hot. It's hot, but it's delicious. Oh my God. So, this is dinner. Simply made. Quick and easy. I'm going to use some Italian dressing. What's your favorite? My favorite is Caesar. I like Caesar, Greek, and Italian. I used to love French, but French is not so much my friend anymore. But you know who dressing is bomb? Olive garden glove. I usually have them on deck, but they expire so quick, and I don't really use a lot of dressing, so I stopped buying a lot of it, but they have some good dressing. So anyway, this is what I did for Sunday, just coming to you real quick, just a quick video. And I'm gonna sit down and enjoy this dish, and Jazzy's about to fix her plate and enjoy her. She hungry, right, boo? She's ready to taste some of the spicy chicken. I may come to you a little later and let you know how spicy it is, because I try to spice it up, guys, with the breading and also on the chicken. So hopefully it's spicy enough for her, but I'm about to enjoy this. So thank you again for coming to Jill's Comfort Zone. And like I always say, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell down below so you can stay tuned for new videos coming to you. I believe next video is coming up. It's going to be I am going to do a beef brisket, and I'm going to be using my Instant Pots on a slow cooker mode. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming up next this week. So until then, like I said, please like, share, and comment down below and tell me what you think about this dish. And until then, happy chicken, because I love chicken wings. This is the favorite. Chicken wings. Oops. Look, I'm making a mess already. I'm going to plop this back on here because it fell off. Chicken wings is my life. And life is chicken wings. I don't know. I'm just joking. But yeah, I enjoyed you guys, and I love making videos for you. And I hope you're laughing with me too, because I know I'm funny as heck. And you missed the video earlier with my daughter scaring her. We clean our chicken. We do. However you say it. Clean, wash, sterilize. You gotta clean your chicken, guys. Please.
And when we say wash, you do not use soap. Please do not.
Don't use soap.
Y'all silly people.
Yeah, don't do to be using no soap. And then you sterilize your area later with some bleach water. Bleach water, bleach the area, scrub everything down and good. Make sure nothing's around your sink while you're cooking. Like, I don't understand the whole thing, but you clean. We've been doing that for a long, long time. My ancestors and my mom's ancestors. Oh, look, we've been cleaning chicken for a long time. Clean your chicken, please. But I'm not here to judge. If you don't clean your chicken, that's fine. You know what I mean? I just want beef for dinner, but it's okay. And that's why I don't eat out much. I'm very picky. I like to cook. So until next time, I'm going to enjoy my dinner. Thank you for joining us tonight. Thank you for joining Jill's Comfort Zone. Please subscribe. And until then, have a wonderful night. And those, as I always say, stay blessed. I love you. And peace out.